The San Luis Rey River is located in sunny Southern California. The river travels a long path to the ocean. The San Luis Rey is also part of the San Diego landscape. The San Luis Rey River estuary is located in the City of Oceanside. The river mouth gives way to ocean beaches and a picturesque harbor. San Luis Rey River is a river which stays dry most of the time. The San Luis Rey River is a river in northern San Diego County, California. The river's headwaters are in the Cleveland National Forest near Palomar Mountain. The river drains into the Pacific Ocean on the northern end of the City of Oceanside. The City of Oceanside discharged treated wastewater into the river from 1958 to 1974. The Oceanside General Plan land use designates the majority of the San Luis Rey River floodway for open space and agricultural use. Much of the agricultural includes citrus trees and avocado trees. The river's mainstem starts east of Rocky Mountain in the Cleveland National Forest and flows generally south-southwest. The West Fork's headwaters rise as a pair of tiny streams, Fry Creek and Iron Springs Creek, just to the north of Palomar Mountain. These two streams combine into the West Fork, which flows southeast through the Mendenhall Valley. The West Fork joins the main stem at Lake Henshaw. The Henshaw Dam, built in 1922, controls 36% of the watershed. The river continues through Indian, Native American, reservations, and farms for some distance. At some points of the river, there is enough water to ride in a tube. The river then crosses the 15 freeway, intersects historic Highway 395, and runs alongside Highway 76. Highway 76 has been undergoing upgrades that include expansion of the highway over the recent years. The river eventually reaches the coastal city of Oceanside, passing a small airport, City of Oceanside Municipal Airport.
Highway 76 runs along the airport on the south side. The airport is small and primarily supports helicopters and light aircraft.
The river is confined by a 400-foot wide earthen channel bounded by two levees along the lower 7 miles. There is also a trail used by walkers, bikers, photographers, and others alongside the river levees in Oceanside. In the past, mineral and aggregate mining has occurred at several sites within the river channel. The San Luis Rey finally empties out into the Pacific Ocean. Much of the water is diverted from reaching its natural destination, the Oceanside Harbor.
West of the 5 freeway, 12 acres of riparian habitat have been designated for the conserved habitat. The estuary at the mouth of the river was dredged in 1964 to create the Oceanside Harbor. The Oceanside Harbor sits on the north side of the river mouth. The Oceanside Harbor and Lower River Channel are owned by the City of Oceanside. The estuary located at the river mouth is a mix of fresh river water and salt water pushed from high ocean tides. You can find a diverse ecosystem that includes sea lions, stingrays, fish, hermit crabs, dolphins, birds, and all sorts of other sea life. The river mouth is reinforced with a jetty that protrudes into the ocean from the shore. A second set of jetties just north of the river mouth jetty, the south jetty, define the harbor mouth used by boaters. Occasionally sand and rocks are dredged from the harbor entrance and pumped south, where it is deposited on the shore adjacent to the south end of the river mouth. These deposits help to maintain the beach area and river mouth. Both sides of the shore are blooming with life. The surf in the immediate area is generally good. The combination of features at the shoreline attracts surfers, swimmers, boaters, and outdoor enthusiasts.
Brought to you by TradeFederation.tv.